Congratulations.
Thank you.
4-2, you qualified to the next stage. Your whole impression about the game?
I think it was a great game. We started very well. We were very disciplined, tactically, very disciplined, and we play according to instructions. I think the boys did well.
Coach, what would you say did the trick for you, scoring 4 goals just after winning by 3 goals to 1 against Legon City? Are you guys finding your scoring?
Yes. The win last Saturday really motivated us. You could see that they were playing today freely without any pressure.
Coach, 4 goals, but yet you conceded 2. Would you say that your defense wasn't up to the task today?
I think after scoring the 4 goals, we were more relaxed, but the concentration at the back was a bit questionable. We will go back and work on it.
Yes, in line is Liverpool Chelsea on Monday night. A very stubborn side. They are top of the league ladder. What is their approach or what will be their approach?
Liverpool is playing well. They are playing very well, but we are going there to work hard once again and get a good result back.